This is a presentation about how to help you in paper 1. The first thing we're going to have a look at is the 5 marker. For the 5 marker, the real easy thing to remember with this is that you need to make 3 clear points about what you are talking about. So if it's a briefly describe the role of this person or briefly describe an event, then you need to make 3 points. Ideally, explain all 3 points. So make the point really crisp and clear and say why that particular point is important. The mark scheme is asking you to do simply 2 points explained, 1 point described. It's really clear that you say why your point is important. Here's an example. The question says, briefly describe the work of Hippocrates. And as you can see, the opening line is, Hippocrates was the Greek doctor who first developed the idea of the 4 humours. I've gone straight in with telling the marker, the examiner, exactly who Hippocrates is. I've then gone on to say it was a natural idea, which allowed current and future generations to work out the causes of illness. So I've now tried to explain the importance of the 4 humours. I've then said here another idea. Instantly, this is telling us that this is the second of the ideas that I'm making. Another idea was the Hippocratic Oath. So I've made my point really clear. This was a pledge or a statement made by doctors and physicians to care for patients and do no harm, taking a quote directly from the Hippocratic Oath there. Here's my explanation. This turned caring for the sick into a professional duty. Done. Now the third point you can see is here. The final creation that came from Hippocrates was the importance of observing symptoms and diagnosing treatments. These were then written down and passed on for future generations to develop. If I wanted to here, I could explain this further and say something else about why observation was good. However, I've done exactly what the mark schemes want for me to do, and therefore this would get me 5 marks.